Do you want to find deleted posts on Instagram? You can see recently deleted post on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to find deleted posts on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Finding deleted posts on Instagram is the process of accessing posts and photos that you've removed from your profile in the last 30 days. This feature allows you to restore or permanently remove content that they have previously deleted from their profile. To find recently deleted posts on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to open a menu. Within the menu options, find and tap on your activity. Scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted to access a list of Instagram posts, photos, and reels that you've removed within the last 30 days. Here, you'll see all the posts, photos, and videos that you've deleted from your Instagram account. Each post will have a time and days indicating when it was deleted. For each deleted post, you'll have the option to either restore it to your profile or permanently delete it. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.